Alright everybody, this is Stephen Wiggins and I'm going to do an unboxing of my blurb book which came in the mail today. So, here it is. So yeah, these are all my silhouettes that I made and screen printed by hand. It's 2 color prints, and you can flip through and take a look at all the print images I have. And so this is a soft cover version. I do think this is the only one. It's also digital too, so it's an ebook, and so you can get a digital version. Also get a PDF download of it too, and it's just available on Blurb. So there you have it. If you have any questions or anything, let me know. And thanks for the support, and I guess I'll see you guys later. Peace.